Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show how to create a short video in Canva. So you can post it in your Facebook also. So before getting into Canva you have to keep your script ready. Okay. So I have just made this script 3 simple steps to identify your profitable niche. Okay. Step 1, choose an area that interests you. Step 2, list down the topics that you have experienced in working, and step 3, compare and contemplate the list and finalize the profitable one. Okay, so now we'll go into Canva and see how you can create a video out of it. So you have to go to canva.com. Okay, I will give the link in the description box. If you are new to Canva, then you can sign up for free. Okay, Canva is completely free. Okay, so once you have signed up, you will see the dashboard like this. Okay, so now you have to go to create a design. I will just show you how to create a smaller video and post it in Facebook. Okay, so we'll choose Facebook post. Okay, so once you have chosen the Facebook post, you will get ready-made templates over here. Okay, you have lots and lots of options available for you to choose. Okay, so depending on the criteria, so for whatever reason you are making the video, so if it is for a Christmas or coronavirus, or this is a newsroom Facebook, so you have n number of options from where you can choose a ready-made template. Okay, so now I will choose something randomly, so I will choose this one. Okay, so this is free. Okay, many things are freely available for you. So what you have to do is just you have to click here and change the uh, text. Okay, so first I will change the text. Okay, so once you have changed the text over here, so here if you see, we have an option to change the text color. You can make it bold, you can change the font size and font style also. Okay, so just click here and then you can choose whichever you like. Okay, so whatever the font style you like, you can choose. Okay, and then text color also you can choose as per your wish. Okay, so once you've done with this, or see, so this is as simple as that. You have to just click and replace whatever you want to do here. Okay, so now here we have to replace this text with our heading. Okay, 3 simple steps to identify. So now I will copy paste it here. Okay, so this one we don't need, so we will simply delete this one. Okay, so now here also again we can change the font size. Okay, and then font color also we can change whichever color you like, you can apply to your font. See, this has changed. Okay, so if you don't like this color, then you have several options here. Okay, if you click this one, you'll be having several options from where you can choose your color. Okay, so some dark colors I will choose. Okay, see here. Okay, so similarly, if you don't like these elements, okay, you can just delete this and replace it with some other elements also. So say I will just, for example, I will show you. So if you don't like this one, you can just delete this one. Okay, and then you can rearrange it and you can keep something else here. Okay, if you go to elements, okay, see here, so you will have lots and lots of options for you to choose. Okay, so you can place whatever elements you like. Okay, similarly here also you are having a number of options. So say for example, I like this one. Okay, so just I have to click here and place it here. Okay, so you can change the size, you can change the alignment also. Okay, so if you don't want this one, you can just click it and delete this. Okay, so now if I want to change the color of this element also, I can very well do that. Okay, see here, so if you want to rotate the star, so if you want to keep the star like this, then also it is possible with the help of Canva. Everything whatever you like you can do it. Okay, so once you click here you will see the color over here. Okay, so the outline of the star is black. Okay, so this is blue, and these are the different colors which is available inside this image. So if you want to change the color of this star, then you can just, if I say for example I want to change this to some other color, so then you click this color and apply it. See, so if you just pick the color, then it will get applied to the star. Whichever color you like you can apply it. So in a similar way, this blue color also, outside color also we can change. So just click this blue color and replace it with some other color you like, whichever color you want to add to your image. Okay, in this way you can change the images also. So similar way you can change this also. Okay, change the color. So everything in and out you can change the color from here. Similarly, you can, if you don't like this, you can delete this one. Okay, so in a similar way you can change each and every element, and then you can choose anything from here. Say for example, if you want some graphics, okay, so if you want to add some stars, okay, so then you can apply it. So whichever you like you can apply. So if I want to add some glittering stars over here, so that also I can apply. Okay, so see here it is it started glittering. Okay, so if you don't want this, then you can you are having undo option also. Okay, so now if you don't like the background, so this background is plain white in color. So if you don't like this background, just you click it and go here and change the background also. Okay, so whichever background you like you can change as per your wish. Okay, this is bright. Okay, so now once you have done all the arrangements, so I will make this letter slightly brighter because it's looking very dull, so I will make it black. Okay, so now if you want to change anything, so you can change and make modifications. Okay, so once you've done with everything, now you have to choose this and go to animate. Okay, so again in animation you have to first choose page animations. Okay, so here you have many options. See, rise, this is pan, and this is fade. Okay, so once you touch this animation you can view your preview. So the preview is available once you touch the option whichever you like. Okay, so these are some of the basic things, and again you have many other options available for you. Okay, so n number of options are available. Okay, so you will be confused to choose which to apply. Okay, that much of options are available in Canva. Okay, you can simply touch it and apply it, that's all. So for example I will choose this rise. Okay, so this is for page animations. So now if I want to apply animation for my text, okay, then that also I can do. See here, so I have to just choose this text and go to text animation. Okay, in a similar fashion you can apply. So see here, if I choose this typewriter, then it will get applied to my text. So here also again I will choose typewrite for my text. Okay, you can choose whatever you like. Okay, so for time being I apply typewriter. Okay, so once you have done all the changes, all the animation, everything with your first slide, then you have to do the duplicate page. Okay, so now here you have to copy paste the step number 1. Okay, the step number 1 I will copy paste it here. Okay, so here again you have to type it as 1. Okay, so now you can change the alignment of the text as per your wish. Okay, it can be now it is aligned at the center. Okay, you can make it whichever way you like, and then you can change it as a bullet point also, and then line spacing. So if we change this line spacing, okay, so I will keep it at 1.5 now. Okay, 1.47. Okay, so this is how you have to set the alignment. So now again you have to duplicate it and then paste the second step here. Okay, so I'm just copy pasting it. Okay, so you have to center align it, okay, so that it will look good. Okay, so and then again you have to duplicate this and copy paste your third point. Okay, so you can change the font size bigger. Okay, here the size you can change it here also. Okay, so now we have done with the animation and copy pasting the things. So if you see here, this is the timing. So this is the timing what we have applying for each step. So for time being I will apply 1 second for each slide. Okay, so I have set 1 second for each slide, and we have to tick this one, apply to all the 4 pages. So now we can see the preview. So once you click this one, we will be able to see the preview. This is how your video will look. So we have set minimum time 1 second, so the people will not be able to read our text. So I will keep it at 2 or 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 seconds I will keep, so that it will be easy for everyone to read. Okay, apply to all pages, and then okay, so this is how your video will look. Okay, so now if you want to add audio to your video, so now you have to click audio here. Okay, so and then again you have many options available. Okay, all these audio are for free. Okay, so you can freely use any of the audio available here. You have to just click and then apply. Okay, once you apply it, it will start okay, so now we'll see the preview. Okay, so now your video will be played with the audio. Okay, so this is how you can make a video in the Canva. So now if you want to download it, you can easily download it. Okay, here you have an option for downloading. So here the file type is MP4. So you want it as a video only, so you can download it. So by clicking, it will automatically get downloaded. Okay, or if you want to publish to your Facebook page, then you can directly publish it to your Facebook page.